quite a really good little turnout. That's the credit for everything you do.
Like the baby one.
I know. Crap, look at that. Bloody hell. It's a big plate. I'm quite surprised he did that. Wasn't expecting that at all. Oh my god. That's a bloody big plane to be doing that with. Pilot must have cojones. Cojones.